Alright, good morning everyone. We're just waking up. Kane's still in his hammock over here. Can only just see it. This is our ambient noise for the night. Alright, I'll take you guys to the top of the falls. We'll have a look.
I like having the hole in the bottom of his boat. I'll do that again. I'm not getting out right here.
Alright, this is the path we're going to head up to the top. Alright, so our camp is nicely disguised down there, and if you look closely I think you can actually see Kane in his undies. So we've got two tarps, two hammock setups in there. We both have natural coloured tarp, so you just can't see us anywhere. It's great. Hey guys, how you doing? It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm hanging out right near the falls here. So you can see why we're here. Just absolutely love it. So I've been fishing half the night. Fished up to about 12, and then I was up again at about 6:15 fishing. And Kane's just about to head out now. Look at this view. Here we are, Kane's out of bed and heading over to our little fishing spot. Kane's just working that lure back from the waterfall again. Just pausing as he goes along just to entice the fish to bite.
Alright, we've come to this little pool here. What we've done, we've come down from the waterfall. It's a fairly steep hike back up to the main track we're walking on. We've left our backpacks up there, just taken a little bag with some lures and things like that. And we're going to try and see if we can get some out. There's this nice log over here, and we'll try and have a cast there. We haven't had a cast yet, and I reckon there's going to be a nice one sitting in there hopefully. So, let's see how we go. Running pretty tight drag here, just in case you do get one, you want to be able to get them out fairly easily. I'm using this little hand painted, I did it myself, little black OSP bent minnow, great little dying bait fish. I'll put it in the water, you can see what it actually looks like. Little float, and you just give them a little kick, and they look like a little dying bait fish, just working across here again, you can have a look at him. So this subsurface, just go under the water a little bit, and then they'll float back up the top. When they're on the top, you give them a little ripple like that, they don't seem to be able to resist it. So we'll see how we go. Maybe they can resist it. So what we do when you can see, I don't know if you can see the ripples there, as soon as you've landed one, always let it sit there until those ripples dissipate. Sometimes I'll just hit it bang, you don't have to do anything, you just let it sit there. But if it's landing right on top of where one is, it might scare it away, give it time to come back. And then always start subtle. Just little tiny movements, a couple little ripples, and then pause it. And then pause it. Wait for it to come back up, it's floating again. Now let's go a couple more, and then I'll pause it again. Lots of pauses in there, give them time to get over, give them time to look at it. Just trying to find the bank, which bank they're going to be sitting on at the moment. It's always handy if you try one side, always try the other side. Sometimes just the water's flowing in a different direction, the bait's getting pushed to one side or another, and that's where they might sit. Now I just saw a ripple out behind my lure, about 10 foot behind. What it looked to me like maybe a bass coming out from under the log that's over there to come and investigate. So hopefully that's a good thing. The great thing about bass fishing, doesn't matter, they don't have to be this big, they're always good. The unicorn, they call it 60 centimetres, but anything, when you're in an area like this, in this nice little gorge up here, you find any bass anywhere, you're always doing good. These little creek bass, they go harder than you think they would for their size.
Got my Leatherman.
Like I said, not the monsters we're after, but look at the area you're fishing. Getting any is good fun. There are some decent sized ones in here, but you know, these little ones are too good to keep. Always throw them back, keeping the system going. They love this oxygenated water down here. And, oh, gone. See if we can get another one, eh? I think they're going to be on the downside of those rapids since it's running. Is it all foamy down there?
Yeah, a little bit.
That white water is...
We're just getting some footage here of, you can see just in the fork of that fallen tree there, I can probably see 15 bass there. So we found a little pool here, talking to the camera. So we found a little pool here that is just teeming with fish. You just can't seem to get them.
Got my wallet, let's go.
Alright, we're back at the car. So we'll have a look. I don't know if you can see that, hold on, no glare. 6.38 Ks, 9 floors. Not bad.
Smells like garlic. Put the garlic scent in there.
Oh yeah.